language.
Boca and mouth. What the fuck?
I eat it. Because sayang kapag hindi kinain.
Yeah, of course.
He doesn't like mayonnaise with chicken. But if the bread is mula is lao dito ang shrimp burger 1 patties for sure kakainin ni siya. Pa-install ka na. Pero dapat yung nanalo yung may apoy. Alam niyo kung bakit? Napakadelikado ng may apoy sa PGP. Yung balancing kaya naman gawin ng kahit na sino. Ang trompo. Pero yung lalaroin mo yung apoy,